YouTube, what's going on, y'all? It's Hunter here. Welcome back. This is a late vlog, start to the day type deal, you know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another banger. So I said I was gonna make a vlog, and I thought, you know, things were gonna go the way they go, but they didn't. So I started my job on my first day, but the onboarding was a little bit of a mess. You know, things happen, things don't go the way they're supposed to go, so they ended up sending me home early. And right now it's 3:50 p.m. I'm actually on the way to Hotel Alba because I forgot to grab my credit card, because I did like a fast track ship to finally get my replacement card when I was disputing a charge with another brokerage that was trying to like scam me out of $200 when I was trying to ship my car out here to Tampa. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to do. I'm going to head to Hotel Alba real quick, grab my card, and then I'm going to go hit the beach. And yeah, that's about it, man. That's all I have to say in this segment of the video. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys when we're at the beach or somewhere. All right, y'all, so I decided to come back to Cypress Point Park like I said. Check out the beach. I think it's about to start pouring pretty soon, so I'm going to get out of here a little bit. But check it out, y'all. Just want to come out here and enjoy the ocean and shit. Look how close I am to the water. Oh yeah, y'all. Now it's starting to get windy. Oh boy. Oh, look at that lightning. Yeah, there, y'all heard that? Woo. That's how we do it out here. Hey, so I just gotta tell y'all, man, first day was pretty cool. Pretty good impression on people and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I got the table numbers down. Probably gonna review them again one more time type deal. But yeah, I think it's gonna start pouring right now. I think we should get out of here. Oh yeah. Time to dip type deal, you know what I'm saying? I gotta vlog this part. Oh, this windy. Oh, my head. Charles, so it's been some time. I was chilling at the house. I had ground beef and rice at my crib. So one of the managers actually there, whilst I was like cruising around and stuff like that, beat my car, by the way. And look, check it out, y'all. Found another random park. Apparently, one of the signs says like warning alligators. So I think alligators are low-key chilling in the water in here, bro. Low-key. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, alligators ain't gonna stop this motion, man. Alligators ain't gonna stop this hustle, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I look like I'm going to school and shit, but in reality, I'm actually just going for a nice little walk. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna walk back type deal. But check it out, y'all. Look at this cool ass river and stuff like that. Oh, look, there's freaking ducks over there if y'all can see it. Hopefully y'all can see the ducks. You know what I'm saying? This is a sick ass place to enjoy nature type deal. It's like overcast and stuff, but it's like not like pouring or nothing. So we chilling, like we low key just chilling type deal. But yeah, and there was even people fishing over here earlier too. But yeah, so this vlog, y'all, honestly is gonna be a lot shorter than the vlogs that I was doing in the past and stuff like that. Oh, there's the ducks. Look at these, dude. These are wild ducks out here. That's cool as heck, man. That's cool as heck. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let them do their thing. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna go over here. It says authorized personnel only. Ain't gonna stop me though. Let's check out this view real quick. Check it out. Oh, nice. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yeah, y'all see the water, gang. Y'all see the water, bruh. Real spill, man. We really out here, man. I told you I was gonna change my environment type deal. Whoa, look at that. Water's moving. Oh no, there's definitely stuff going on in here, man. Hey, look, a little bird. A little bird and stuff. Or maybe further down there might be where all the alligators is and stuff like that type deal, you know what I'm saying, chat? So yeah, I'm still taking it all in that I officially live here now. And it feels dope. It's dope as heck. You know, checking out this beautiful ass river, taking it all in. I think this is an apartment complex in the back, but aside from the yapping and stuff like that, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for this segment. I'm pretty much gonna enjoy and taking the view type deal. You know what I mean? And I'll catch you guys in the next clip. All right, y'all. So it's another part of the segment type deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm cruising right now, checking out the neighborhoods and stuff like that type deal. You know what I'm saying? And we hit the other river part and stuff like that. So that's part of the vlog and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I'm just chilling, to be honest. I'm just happy that I secured a source of income. It was a confusing first day of the job, but hey, sometimes you gotta roll with the punches. I'm not even tripping about it. They were apologizing to me profusely. I was like, yo, y'all straight, y'all good, man, y'all good. I have no problem with it. I was like, I'm just happy I got a source of income coming in. You know what I'm saying? I was like, I just gotta get locked in with this training. Boom, get that going. Boom, y'all gonna see the gig app hustle coming. Boom. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, y'all already know the damn dealio. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? I woke up at 7 this morning, so yeah, we're gonna attempt wake up around the same time early. Bro, I'm telling y'all, this literally reminds me of Hawaii, bro, deadass. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. But anyways, enough with the capping. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep cruising, and I'll catch y'all in the next segment. All right, guys, so it's 11 at night. And you might be wondering, what the heck are you doing outside at 11 at night? Well, I'm just kind of taking in the humidity, nice little ocean type shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like, what, like 78, 77 degrees or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But luckily, like I said, we have a solid start date for tomorrow at 2 p.m. this time, so I can actually sleep in a little bit. I don't gotta wake up early or frantically rush. I can actually focus and lock in the morning and get my routine going. So that's what we're doing, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm just taking this all in, enjoying my day off, and then back to it, you know what I'm saying, to secure this income, tackle this credit card debt we in, and turn our life around for the better. And I appreciate every single one of y'all for tuning into the channel. You know what I'm saying? And enjoying the content that I be making type deal. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Pretty much, I'm gonna walk this way actually. But I don't even know where. It's not that I was about to say I don't even know where I'm at, but I'm like, I do know where I'm at. There's some pretty cool paintings in here and shit like that. But yeah, the fact that I can just, you know, that I live here now and I can just come and go as I please type deal. Check out the city at night, or like my neighborhood at night. You know what I'm saying? Always be aware of your surroundings though, whenever you go out, no matter what time of the day it is, man. Always be aware of your surroundings and shit like that. But yeah, y'all, just, like I said, look at the street. This reminds me of Hawaii, bro. This is how small the streets are, y'all. It's like little side roads. Going back to what my barber said about Vegas, like everything fills with spaces. Man, he definitely wasn't lying about that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh shit. You know? Aside from the yapping, I'm probably gonna get back home. Like I said, this was a short vlog. This wasn't like the long, you know, go to the beach and see type deal. You guys saw it was really pouring and raining really bad, so I decided to come back to the side of town, drive around, kind of explore, and just chill because, you know what I'm saying, I can do that. And I ain't gonna lie, this is great. Enough with the yapping. I'm gonna record the outro for this vlog, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, YouTube, so that is going to end today's vlog. Like I said, it was really short. There wasn't too much going on. Overall, it was a solid day. Tomorrow is a brand new day where we're gonna get back to the same old routine. Obviously, make our breakfast, all that stuff, eat the groceries that we have at home until we run out, and then we're gonna come up with another meal plan for the upcoming week to utilize the you know, tools that we got at home and improvise, you know what I'm saying, whilst we are here in our new environment. But yeah, that's all I have for the video. If anybody made it to the end of this vlog, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new, like the video, comment your opinion down below about the vlog, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Sayonara.